Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Reliance, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking. Anyways, y'all, like in this channel I make fashion content, fashion vlogs, lifestyle. But today we're gonna be sewing two outfits, y'all. Like, this is not Pinterest inspired. So anyways guys, let me show you all the fabric that we're gonna be using. This is like a very simple style. These are the two fabrics that we're going to be using, and y'all, like, I'm just going to take you along the process of making this outfit. I am super excited to be creating this video. I just want to show you all my hair, how cute it is, because y'all, like, I made this hair myself and I'm super proud of myself because, like, pretty cute, right? Let's get right into this video. So this is the fabric that we're going to be working with. I already cut out the fabric, so I'm just going to hem the upper part and the lower part of this fabric before I start shirring. So let's head right to the sewing machine and start sewing. So guys, I had no idea my camera wasn't recording while I was hemming the upper part and the lower part. But anyways guys, this is what it's looking like right now. So I'm just gonna do the shirring on one side of the fabric, and then we're gonna do the shirring on the other side too.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body hesitates. My mind, my body hesitates.
So far guys, this is what we have right now, and this is looking really cute. I love the color and the size of the shirring that I'm doing. I don't want it too small and I don't want it too big, so I'm just gonna stick with this size all the way through.
Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
And guys, we're done with the first part. So this is what it's looking like. I know it's looking super weird, but trust me y'all, it's gonna size a full human being. Okay, so let's start joining the two fabric together, the front and the back part, because like the shirt part is just on the front and then the back is just plain. So I'm just closing up everything, and after this we're practically done with this outfit, and I'm just gonna sew on some straps that we're gonna be using for this dress, and that is actually it.
Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Yo, like, this is the first testing that I'm doing for this dress, and I am really loving this dress. It looks really cute, so I'm just checking for any imperfections or adjustments that I need to make. So yeah, and I'm also just placing the straps on where I want it to go, and the straps is going to be coming from the side of this dress, and then the back part of this dress was having excess fabric, so I was like going to do an elastic in the middle of the dress, so that way we have no more excess fabric laying around. So I'm just gonna do this and come and show y'all.
Check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body hesitates. My body hesitates. My mind, and my heart, my body hesitates. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is.
Yo, like, I ran out of red thread and I had no idea that I was down to my last red thread. But anyways guys, I don't know what's wrong with me today, y'all. Like, my stitches are just not looking good, y'all. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? We're just gonna leave this at the lower part of the dress. But anyways, y'all, like, I can't go out to get red thread right now, so that's gonna be tomorrow. So anyways, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so we are back and we just started sharing. So this is what I've done so far, and I'm thinking of making another sharing in the middle of this. So we're just gonna do that and then all the way down. So let's get right to it.
But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so.
So guys, this dress is coming together and I'm loving it. So we're just gonna keep sharing and I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done sharing, and I'm just gonna stick with this last pattern all the way through.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with
And guys, this is what we have right here. This is really super cute. I love it. Hi guys, so this is what the top is looking like right now. So yo, like, this wasn't actually the initial style for this stuff because I wanted to make a dress, but then the fabric wasn't just enough, and the fabric that I was supposed to use to create the gathers for the dress to create an extension for this was just not working with this fabric. So I decided not to do the dress anymore and then just make it into a top, which is pretty cute if you ask me, because this wasn't in the vision, y'all. Like, this just came along. Okay, so this is really pretty and I really like this top. This is what the back view looks like. This is really cute, really cute, y'all. Like, ignore the threads you see because I haven't actually trimmed this dress, so there's just like threads everywhere. So this is really cute. So I'm gonna show y'all the second outfit and what it really looks like. I am so in love with this. Yo, like, if I'm gonna be wearing this, I'm gonna be wearing this with a black short skirt or probably a, I don't know, like maybe this color of skirt. Like I could just wear it like a two-piece, but yo, like, I'm seeing a black short skirt and then throw on some jacket and some cute sneakers, I guess. I'm just trying to pair this out in my head. But anyways, guys, this is really super cute. And one of these days, I'm going to be doing a try on haul of everything that I've made for the past few months. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm just gonna be trying on the other dress on my mannequin so y'all can actually see what it really looks like again, because guys, this dress is super cute, y'all. Like, this is giving summer vibes, this is giving baby girl kind of vibes, y'all. Like, this is so cute. This is the kind of dress you would want to wear to a picnic or probably a brunch day or something like that, y'all. Like, this is really super cute and I love the color, the nude pink, y'all. Like, this is really cute. Not gonna lie, this is giving cute girly girl vibes, y'all. Like, this is so cute. I'm so in love with this outfit. Okay guys, so this is the second outfit, y'all. Like, I am so loving this cute outfit because y'all, like, this pink, like the nude pink and everything is just giving. So I'm just like in love with this set, and y'all, like, this was like the vision. Like, guys, I just love the shirred details going on over the front panel of this dress. Like, this is just really beautiful and pretty, y'all. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun and struggles creating this video with you guys. But anyways, y'all stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and of course, one of these days I'm gonna be making a video of everything, a try and haul video of everything that I've made in the past few months. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace. We out.